Hey everybody, Larry here, Mitchell's RC's. Got some snow today. The rain took it all away here, so that's why I haven't been out with the Blizzard. But now that we got a little bit of snow, let's try out these brushless motors, guys. Give her a little speed run here. Oh, that's a lot faster. Just setting the trim here on the tracks, trying to figure out which way is which. That way I get them even, so they go roughly the same. Oh, this thing is awesome, guys. Nope, won't go up the kayak. She flies now, guys. Go over on the neighbors. So far, guys, these motors are working awesome. Working pretty good, guys. These little brushless motors, I'm liking them. This is on 2S. Oh, uh-oh, I might have just got her stuck right there. Yep, we're stuck, guys. Oh. There we go. Use a little more power in reverse. I'll have to hook it up on the card and give it a little more boost for backwards. That's full speed backwards, guys. And that's full ahead. Way faster than it was. I love it. This thing, now I'm gonna put the plow back on it and see how it works with the plow. Wow, it's just car. Oh no, did I just sink it? There we go. Just carving through the snow, guys. It's awesome. We got a good 4 or 5 inches here. It's just running right on the top. Okay, right now my right track is overpowering the left. So I got to turn the left track up a little. But I'm not sure if I'm going the right way or the wrong way with it. Still overpowering, so let me try the other way. Nope, I was right the first time. There we go. Oh, this thing is awesome. Goes up that hill like nothing. Oh, I got it stuck. That's something I got to learn not to do. I got to remember to always run both tracks at the same time when you're backing up, you know, from a stop or something. Because, see, I got it stuck because I only ran one track, so I sunk it in. So that's something I'll have to learn not to do, because I got a made up an FPV thing for it, guys. I'm going to hook FPV on it here at some point. So I really got to learn how to drive this so I don't get it stuck on FPV. Like I said, I got to remember to always keep one track slightly moving when I'm turning like that so I don't get stuck. We'll drive on my neighbor's lawn some more here. Yeah, I'm loving it, guys. This is a good investment here. If you guys live anywhere where there's snow, I'm telling you, it's a perfect investment if you like to play around outside in the wintertime. This thing is awesome, guys. Woohoo! Look at that. I'm getting a little better with it, guys. A little bit better. Got to make real slow adjustments. Woo! Icy over there. Oh, I love this thing, guys. It is awesome. Oh, I almost did it again. See what I'm talking about? You got to keep one track moving when you turn. If you don't, you're going to sink it. Like that. Ah! Getting pretty good life out of this 2S battery with it so far, guys. Still getting more power to that right side. Oh, went a little too far with it. Cross treading that. So the front lights do get covered up on the bottom. I gotta get the brake. They're set up for brake right now. I gotta get that turned off, but I don't need a brake on this thing. Oh, did I lose a lens somewhere? Uh-oh, no biggie, I got more. I lost the lens. Wonder where that fell off. That ice, guys. Get up. Ah, I wouldn't do it. Oh no! Oh! Oh, I got it! Wow, look at that guy. He's going right up in the woods. Like I said, still getting used to it, guys. Oh, I buried her again. Woohoo! Oh no, I high-sided it. Yeah, I don't know where that little black lens went. I figured I'd find it right there. Hello. There we go. Battery's starting to die down a little bit now, guys. But I've been running it wide open, full throttle. Whoa, back her up. I love this little thing. I was saying earlier, guys, if you guys like to play out in the snow, this is a must-have RC. It's not super expensive, and then it is fun. It'll go anywhere. It's just on how you drive it. You just got to remember to keep both tracks always moving when you're in the soft snow. Hard snow wouldn't bother it, but soft snow, you gotta always keep both tracks going. That is so cool. I love it. Well, look out for the kayak. All right, guys, there you have it. That's the KYOSHO Blizzard 2.0, running a set of brushless 1/16 scale motors on 35 amp ESC'S with a 2S battery. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll catch you next time.